Hello students, myself Aishwarya, teacher of Set Vidya Mandir English High School, teaching in Standard 6. Today I am going to chapter number 7 of Maths, that is Symmetry. So let's begin. Yes. So children, what you see? Yes, a picture where a girl is standing in front of a mirror. So, what do you observe? Yes, you can see her own image in the mirror. So, you can practice this at home. You stand in front of a mirror. What you observe? Yes, you observe your own image. You and your image are identical. You and your image are symmetrical with reference to the mirror. So symmetrical. So now we will see what is meaning of symmetry. So let's see. Symmetry. The state of having two halves that match each other exactly in size, shape, etc. When two or more parts are identical after a flip, slide, or turn. Now, what is symmetry? The state of having two halves means to divide into two equal parts. Now, when you're dividing an object into two equal parts, they are exactly same in size, shape. When two or more parts are identical, when you flip, when you turn, or when you slide it, you can see the object is identical. Now, if we fold a figure in half and both the halves are identical, then we say that the figure is symmetrical. Now, the fold is the axis of symmetry of the figure. This symmetry is known as axial symmetry. Now, where the object has been divided, where the object has been folded, that is called as axial symmetry. Now, the simplest form of symmetry is reflection, that is mirror. Now, what is reflectional symmetry? An object on one side of the mirror is duplicated on the other side. This is known as reflection symmetry. Now, for example, children, when you stand in front of the mirror, what you see? Yes, you see yourself in the mirror. Means you see your own reflection in the mirror, which is duplicated, means you see your image identical. So that is called reflectional symmetry. Means any object on one side of the mirror is duplicated on the other side is known as reflection symmetry. Now, examples of symmetry. Now, children, in day to day life, you can see various examples of symmetry. You can see reflection of trees in clear water. You have seen butterfly? Yes. The wings of butterflies are identical on the left side and right side. So there are various examples of symmetry you can see in your day to day life. Now here are some of the English capital letters. Yes, what are they? A, H and M. Now, yes. Now we have folded the letter A. That is, we have put the axis. Yes. Now your A alphabet has one axis of symmetry, whereas on the letter H has two axes of symmetry. M has one axis of symmetry. Now here are some other figures which are symmetrical. Yes. A has one axis of symmetry. W has one axis of symmetry, where the other figure has two axes of symmetry. Now we'll go to practice set 20. Question 1. Draw the axis of symmetry of each of the figures below. Which of them has more than one axis of symmetry? Now here are some of the figures. You have to identify which of them has more than one axis of symmetry. Yes, on the rectangle has two axes of symmetry. Triangle has 1, 2, 3. Yes, 3 axes of symmetry. Here, the other figure has one axis of symmetry. The other figure has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 axes of symmetry. So, in the first diagram, 2 axes of symmetry. Second diagram has 3 axes of symmetry. Third has 1 axis of symmetry, and the other has 4 axes of symmetry. Now, question number 2. Write the capital letters of the English alphabet in your notebook. Try to draw the axis of symmetry which has one axis symmetry, which have more than one axis of symmetry. So, here are some of the capital letters of the English alphabet having one axis of symmetry. They are A, B, C, D, E, K, M, T, U, V, W and Y. So these are the English alphabets which has one axis of symmetry. Second is two axes of symmetry. Which are they? X, I, H. And infinite axis of symmetry is O. Yes, you can see the figures which are having two axes of symmetry. Here are the English alphabets X, I, H and O. X has 1, 2. I has 1, 2. H 1, 2. And O O has infinite axis of symmetry. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. Now, drawing symmetrical figures on the graph paper. Here is an image of symmetrical figures. Now here the line segment AB is drawn on the left line L. The points A and B are as far on the right of L as A and B are the images of point A and B. So, the points you can see A and B are the images of point A and B respectively by reflection in the line L. Now children, you can see the line L. The line segment AB is drawn on the left side of the line L. Now the points A and B on the right side of L as A and B are the images of point A and B. So the points A and B are the reflectional images of point A and B. So now we will go to practice set 21. Yes. Now here along each figure shown below a line L has been drawn. You can see the line L. Complete the symmetrical figures by drawing a figure on the other side such that line L becomes the line of symmetry. Now see, here are some of the images. The line L is given. You have to draw the same reflectional images on the other side. Now children, work to do in notebook. So you have to start the lesson, including you need to write definition of symmetry which is given in the video, and example of symmetry what I have given that example, or you can write your own examples also. Then what is reflectional symmetry, and that symmetrical figures which is given in the textbook. You can refer the textbook, the figures, and the definition which is given in the video as well as the definition given in the textbook. You can refer that, and you need to draw the symmetrical figures, that is English alphabets, in your notebook. And after that you need to start writing your practice set 20 and 21 in your notebook after the definition, examples and all. So I hope the lesson is clear. So thank you. Thank you for watching the video.